Hey guys, Hannah Bell, family lawyer, here with today's pro tip. And this one is a little hard for me, as I even tried to think about how to explain or convey what was on my heart and on my mind today. It was hard. And I think the best way to put this is my family law pro tip, especially for those of us who are long timers, is you've got to be able to sleep at night. And if you're sitting there wondering, Hannah, what's a long timer? Am I a long timer? If you're asking the question and you don't know what I mean, you probably aren't, at least not yet. But what I mean is those of us who are in this protracted divorce or custody litigation or family drama that's steeped in conflict, and it's not like you're trying to get through this one thing, because there's basically always a next thing, or it just never sort of ends. And people come to me how do I do this? What am I supposed to do? How do I make decisions? How do I be a parent? How do I behave? How do you know what is the right thing to do when often the right thing isn't clear, and maybe there isn't a right thing? There's just sort of the next best thing that you can try to do. And I think the best way that I've come up with to put it is you've got to make the decisions and act in the way that lets you sleep at night. Because at the end of all of this, you're left with yourself. And my dad, when I was growing up, used to quote this poem at me and my sister about the man looking back from the glass. And you've succeeded in life if the man looking back from the glass is your friend. And I know that sounds kind of corny, but you should really Google it and read it. And I take that to mean I've got to be okay with me. And in your navigating these tumultuous waters of family law related drama, there are going to come a lot of times where you don't know what to do, and you don't know how to parent your children or how to make decisions when it's full of turmoil and drama. And so you've got to develop this guiding principle, so when the next lawsuit comes, or the next nasty email, or the next sort of setup, and you need to decide what to do, you can have that guiding principle of I'm always going to behave in a way that I can hold my head up high and that I can defend, and I'm going to do the right thing. And that may not always be clear to you, but I think if you have that as your guiding principle, then it will help you make a lot of those decisions. So if you're a long timer, and those of you who are, you know who I'm talking to you, right? You may not even have anything going on, but this stuff for you may never end. And you need something more sophisticated than just, what am I gonna do with these next discovery requests or this next legal paper of some kind? You need a next level strategy, and that's a core personal decision. And I suggest trying I've got to act in a way that lets me sleep at night.